can I be in my bag and you hoes be out my business? Like, I don't understand you hoes. You bitches could never speak my language. Money talking. I'm in my bag underlay. Don't really be with the shits, but I got time today. Ain't no I don't fuck with you bitches cause you two-faced. So fuck a friend, my attention on the blue face. I'm in my bag underlay. Don't really be with the shits, but I got time today. Ain't no I don't fuck with you bitches cause you two-faced. So fuck a friend, my attention on the blue face. Wrap them feelings up, throw away, I'm feeling tough. Penny in my system, tell them bitches running, run them up. I'm on my double P's, and don't get next to me. I don't follow instructions, follow who? I'm the recipe. I'm ballin' on the motherfucking bitch, nigga. You never ballin' if you sucking on a dick with her. You said it's stallin', I'ma have to put a zip in her. I'm uninstalling all you pussy ass bitch niggas. They wanna throw salt on my name at the peppers too, because I like my beef seasoned so it's edible. You bitches press, get the iron, make it wearable. And when I break you, ho, you ain't gon' be repairable. Don't have a phobia, so don't be thinking that I'm scared of you. Treat me like a queen, you better put me on a pedestal. Ain't no saving hoes, cause I ain't far from the Incredibles. Relate you to elastic girl, cause your pussy is stretchable. You a backdoor hoe, I be walking through the entrance. You not about your money, so he don't see interest. You cannot compare to me, cause there's a difference. You fold under pressure, I apply this instant. That hoe be talking too much shit, so you know I'ma try it. And if that nigga said he fuck me, then you know he a liar. I watch my kitty on the daily while her shit in the dryer. You got expired, pussy hoe, I think it's time to retire. I'm in my bag underlay. Don't really be with the shits, but I got time today. Ain't no I don't fuck with you bitches cause you two-faced. So fuck a friend, my attention on the blue face. I'm in my bag underlay. Don't really be with the shits, but I got time today. Ain't no I don't fuck with you bitches cause you two-faced. So fuck a friend, my attention on the blue face. I keep it hood, but also classy, I got hood class. Yeah, you might be hood, but also trashy, you a hood trash. I'm dead ass with the shits and I don't give a damn. Tell a bitch to pull up if she body, then I'm going ham. I always try to keep my composure, but I don't wanna know. Yeah, I got mixed personalities. Thought I told ya I'm a rude bitch. I'm always getting to that money, buying new shit. Flexing on this new bitch. Got so much money, bought a safe with a lot. If a nigga try to holler at me, I tell the nigga kick rock. My time go TikTok, what money? You bitches need to step your game up. Y'all bitches be looking bummy. I don't fuck with you bitches and that's fact. Even if I had a dick, I would've hit it from the back. I'd rather hit you with a brick just to see how you react. I'm a crazy bitch when I wanna be, no cat. My sinus is a tingling. Just know that I'm allergic to a broke hoe. Don't want no new friends. I'm killing bitches, purging it. I'm so imperious. Give me what I require. Get that money, baby. I'm the supplier and you the buyer. Don't sleep on me. You always been a dreamer. Gotta pay me for a feature. I'm the newest. I'm the keeper. You the student. I'm the teacher. You the rubbish. I'ma sweep you. I'm not gonna preach it to you. I'm gonna make you a believer. So I see I make it snow. Yo, gentlemen down below. I'm all about my Benjamins, baby. I treat them like a hoe. And I fuck from pussy. Not gon' act like I didn't know. He know what he into. Talking from pumping up. You bitches didn't know. I'm in my bag underlay. Don't really be with the shits, but I got time today. Ain't no I don't fuck with you bitches cause you two-faced. So fuck a friend, my attention on the blue face. I'm in my bag underlay. Don't really be with the shits, but I got time today. Ain't no I don't fuck with you bitches cause you two-faced. So fuck a friend, my attention on the blue face. Now I told you bitches you can't fuck with me. Not even on your best day you can't fuck with me. Ho, get a dildo, bitch, you still can't fuck